What is up, y'all? Profitz here, and today we've got probably a quick video, but one that has been top of mind lately, a topic that's been top of mind lately because it's literally what I've been going through really this year, 2025, and 2024 as well, I guess I could say. And that is the simple topic of trade less, make more, right? You've probably heard it before, but I have been taking less and less trades, but I've been making more money. I have been more profitable, and I do trade a swing strategy, so that obviously takes part into why I'm taking a lot less trades, but I think that this could go for really any strategy. Even if you're trading on the 5-minute and 15-minute, you could probably learn something from this video, and that once I started trading less, only taking A+ setups, I started making more money. Right here is USD CHF, and I've brought this chart up the past like 2 or 3 videos because it's just what I've been trading a lot lately. And this is the 4-hour time frame. So like I said, I'm a swing trader. That's pretty much what I almost have to trade because of my work schedule. I pretty much have to swing trade. I can't be on the charts on the 5-minute time frame and the 15-minute like I used to be, at least most days. And therefore I am not getting in and out of supply and demand setups and stuff like that on a day-to-day basis. I'm not looking for a trade every day. I'm looking to take a trade. My dog just came in. I'm looking to take a trade whenever my strategy takes place, whenever my setup occurs, which is a lot less frequent than the 5-minute, the 15-minute. I'm looking at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, right? But again, even if you're a scalper, which there's nothing wrong with, but for me, I really started seeing profitability once I looked at the higher time frames. But let's get into it. So again, think about this. This first trade that I took on USD CHF happened April 25th. And now it is today, May 21st. So in between that time, I've taken a couple more trades on other pairs than just these, but these are the primary trades that I've taken. So think about that. All this time has passed by, months, and I'm 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. I did lose right here. I'm not a perfect trader. I never claimed to be a perfect trader. I did lose this trade, and this was closed earlier this week. I lost it on the 20th, so yesterday. Couldn't even remember what day it was, but yesterday I lost this trade. Happens to every trader, but that is 1, 2, 3 wins and 1 loss. And of course you can get that with a scalping strategy. You can with trading more, right? I used to aim for at least 1 trade a day, 1 to 2 trades a day, and I'd be out. A lot of people do trade that way, and if you can make that profitable for yourself, my praise to you, because it's very difficult, but it is possible. There are traders that do it, especially if you're trading like options, futures, things like that. Much more fast-paced, 1-minute, 5-minute time frame. It can be done, but again, I'm a swing trader for the most part, and when I take less trades, a couple things happen. It's not just taking less trades and only waiting for A+ setups. Waiting for your A+ setup, you could have a strategy where your A+ setup could happen every single day. You could find a trade every single day, especially if you're scalping, right? But also, it is taking less trades. Let's say you take 1 a week, right? Instead of you taking a trade every single day that week and your profitability going, oh, you want plus 3R minus 1R, plus 2R minus 3R, plus 1R minus 2R, and your profitability is like this every single day, guess what? Your emotions are going to be like this every single day that you're trading, because every single morning you wake up, you might be able to find a trade, but you don't know if that's going to be a win or a loss. And if you're taking more trades, you're going to take more losses. Therefore, you're going to have a harder time emotionally coping with it. Now, you could have more wins, right? If you're high profitability, if you have a high win rate, which is great. And again, if you can make it work for you, then great. But I think that most traders that are in this stage of they're not profitable yet, you are probably taking more trades than you need to be. And that's where I was for honestly the first multiple years of trading. I was taking way more trades than I needed to be, and that really reflected on my P&L, blown accounts, whatever it may be, right? But as I started taking less trades, it was so much less stress on me emotionally. Even this loss right here. So these wins were 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk to reward ratios. So let's say 1 to 3 or 1 to 4R. So let's say let's be conservative, and I got 2R on each of these wins, right? So that's 2R, 4R, 6R wins, right? Over the course of the past months or so. So plus 6R. And then I lost 1R. I lost one trade. So minus 1R, that's 5R. I'm up 5R in the past month and a half, 2 months, right? Think about how much less stress that is than trying to take a trade every single day and it going 1R, 3R, down 3R, up 1R, down 2R, and just seeing my P&L go like this. Seeing my funded account go in profit and then drawdown, profit, drawdown, whatever it may be, right? You're able to get a payout. Oh, you lost a trade, now you can't get that payout. Whatever it is. Trade personal accounts funded. It doesn't matter, because ultimately, if you're not profitable, you're not profitable. If you are profitable, then you are profitable. And taking less trades is just so much better on so many occasions not so many occasions, but a lot better for so many different reasons. Less stress on your mental. The less trades you take, the less risk you're putting on the table. So instead of risking 1R every single day, I'm risking 1R every single week. That is a huge difference there. A huge, massive difference. And that's why when I take a loss now, I am not stressed about it. My strategy has a high win rate, so obviously that helps. But if I take a loss, it's cool, because the next trade could be a 1 to 3. I could win another 3R. Boom. Even if I take one loss in a week and I don't take any more trades, that's minus 1R, right? The next week I have one win, I'm up 2R, because that was at least a 3R win. That's mainly what I aim for, 1 to 3. Sometimes it's higher, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5 even sometimes. And that's huge on your mental. So those are just a couple things to think about. And I know that was kind of all over the place, and I didn't write anything down on this one to think about it. I just came on here and was like, let me shoot this video because I think it's an important topic, right? So those are some things to think about. I would definitely, don't just leave this video and be like, trade less. Why would I trade less if I want to make more money? That is, trust me, that is not how it works in trading. Really, in anything. Doing more doesn't always mean you're going to make more. Be smarter about what you're doing. Less trades means less risk, means less emotion. Think about it. It's a very simple topic, but think about it, and are you truly implementing it? Implement it for a couple months and come back to this video and comment how it changed your profitability, because I'm telling you, it definitely will. Hope you guys got some value out of this. If you have any video recommendations that you want to see from me, definitely let me know. This week's been really slow, so this is another. It's been a lot of consolidation on multiple pairs across the Forex space, right? Or if you're trading even futures for that matter. There's been a lot of consolidation lately, the past few weeks, really this whole entire month. And if you're taking a lot of trades in consolidation, you're probably getting cooked. I'm not gonna lie. So be careful. Wait for your A+ setups. If it doesn't occur, it doesn't occur. If the market doesn't have a clear direction, don't trade. Again, that doesn't even have anything to do with this topic of the video, but just some little tidbits of advice for right now, what is happening in the markets. Lots of consolidation. But anyways, thank you guys for checking out this video. Let me know if you got anything good out of it. Appreciate y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.